There are two reasons why many of us sign up for YouTube. First, YouTube is a great place to store video files, which are very large in size. And second, make them available to others. Here is a folder containing some of our finished video files. The smallest video in this sample is 91,357 kilobytes. That is 91,357,000 bytes for a half-minute short video. The largest video is 4,772,814 kilobytes. That is 4,772,814,000 bytes for an 18.5-minute video. There is no better place to load and distribute video content. There is one added benefit of storing content in the cloud. The little club in Morristown, Tennessee can be seen elsewhere. We are local first, and then regional, national, and global. Once you get into the YouTube process, it is easy to get caught up in all the YouTube hype, which goes like this. You want to sell t-shirts on YouTube. You need to monetize your channel. You need 1,000 subscribers to monetize. To get 1,000 subscribers, you need to create content that is trending. Trending content are basically the top searches on Google. The more people looking at a topic, the more potential viewers you have. The more potential viewers, the more potential subscribers. To create trending content, you need to develop along those topics or borrow ideas from other YouTube videos. What if your content is not trending? You will end up spending countless hours learning how to beat the YouTube algorithm, when beating the algorithm wasn't your goal to begin with. Here are 3 rules to remember as you grow your YouTube channel. Rule number 1. Remember why you YouTube. It is okay to have a small niche that serves your purpose. Are you an authentic content creator, or are you chasing trends for attention? Rule number 2. Define your own definition for viral. It is okay to average a few hundred views on your videos and then get excited when you get 2 or 3 times that. Not everyone in the world will like your work, but those that do will really like it. Rule number 3. Create content that is important and let the world find you, not the other way around. Have you seen our world lately? Many virtual topics and their influencers have little value. Why chase them? Just be real. In the end, remember why you started using YouTube. Pay attention to the algorithm so you don't unintentionally hurt your chances, but don't let it drive you or your content. Be authentic.